My idea is to create an atmosphere which they cannot stay in Assam.
Yes.
Don't give them land, don't give them vehicles, don't give them rickshaws, don't give
That is
them
the problem.
villas.
That entire effort is to undermine, demoralize the high courts, which is not acceptable to us.
Because in
Country.
There is a very calculated move. There is a calculated move to undermine the authorities of the high court. Their constitutional court enjoy more power than us.
Your
No,
Lord,
because-
state of Assam, where will I file an FIR?
Yes.
Where will I get redress?
Yes.
Well, if your lordship doesn't agree with my next two arguments, lordship will send me to another high court. Other than Assam. He's sitting constitutional
That is the
oath holder,
difference of
sitting in
perception.
position. He's saying all this
Exactly.
brazenly and every day.
Exactly. That is the
Well, what
difference
justice
of-
happened in this
for asking
zone?
direction
Now, let's
against
just
one-
see just 4 pages.
What prevents you from going to high court?
Yes, but I'll answer that. But just
This is a high court. There is a matter
this is
to
a
one state.
singularly inapposite case
Unless the
back to the high
Supreme Court has also become a political battleground.
No, this is not a political battleground. This affects, according to me, the fundamentals of your lordship's constitutional pillars.
So the
Let me give you
Constitutional
more
Court
reasons.
will examine it.
I'll tell you why.
Yes.
So number one, this will affect the fundamentals of the constitutional pillars, including oath, Article 14, 15, 21. Number two,
And that can't be enforced by high court.
no, that can also be enforced by Supreme Court, Manas.
Yes.
It's a concurrent jurisdiction. Now, allow me to, your lordship will see the cumulative impact of all. Everything can go to the High Court, can also come to the Supreme Court. And if it can't, if this matter can't come to Supreme Court, Manas, then your lordship will consider what would be the focus of 32. That's point number one. Point number two, I am seeking an SIT. There can hardly be an SIT of note within Assam for the boss of Assam.
The high court can take the people from outside. We have been doing in high court. It's not the first time that happens.
Your lordship has full discretion to go under 32. There is no mandatory bar. This is asking for Malas, the number one person in Assam, and therefore there is a Malas, a certain distance from Assam which is necessary. It's an appropriate case for 32. Number three, I'm handing over a list of 17 cases where my lords has, in very similar and much weaker situations, referred it to Malas 32. Just see that. Can you give it quickly? 17 cases.
The problem is that unfortunately, whenever the election will start coming, first of all, we will earnestly appeal to the parties, political parties, whosoever they may be.
Yes.
That mutual respect, a sense of restraint, and whatever you want to express your opinion, that should be within the constitutional moralities, constitutional principles, or whatever the law of the land. That we expect them to.
With equal.
But this is also a new emerging trend that whenever the elections in A state, B state, D state come, this court becomes a political battle.
My lord has made that observation, and rightly so in many cases. Kindly consider if this is right in this case. Who has started this? 5 statements quoted. Your lordship's words are entirely well taken. But Malas, do they fall beyond sermon for persons like this? He's an habitual, consistent, continuous offender. Allow me, Malas, just allow me 5. Then
Don't raise all these arguments before the High Court.
no, Malas,
May
kindly
please, Your
allow me to
Lordship.
place my case. Your lordship will then send me to the High Court. Kindly first see this sheet. Kindly hand over the sheet. I'm answering 32, and then I'll tell your lordship why.
Yes.
The Supreme Court, Malas, this would be an ideal case to Malas exercise his duty to protect constitutional pillars. So, your lordship entertained Arnab Goswami, Bilkis Yaqub, Vinod Dua,
These are the
Abdul May.
most of the cases are those against whom some coercive or penal action was being taken by the
Yes,
state authorities. They approach this.
Malas
You are
also.
wanting action to be taken against any XYZ. That very action can be well taken by the High Court.
First
in
of all,
exercise of
this
powers
is
of
not
220.
XYZ, Malas.
Which are definitely
This
to
affects-
some extent wider than our power.
Those two
Even if there is a violation of, suppose,
Yes.
forget about the High Court comes to the conclusion that instead of fundamental right,
Yes.
the human right is violated.
Yes.
High Court can still take the remedial action.
No, Malas, High Court's power, I'm not in doubt. But why was 32 created? Malas, 32 was created for mega
This
cases.
is not the first case. Last couple of months, I have been telling, and particularly after coming to court number 1, please don't undermine our constitutional courts of high courts. This is absolutely a disturbing trend that every matter lands up in Supreme.
Right, no, Malas, now this is not every matter. Malas, may I say, the 17 matters.
Unfortunately, in this country, what has happened? By establishment of various judicial or quasi-judicial tribunals.
Yes.
We have already deprived the high courts from, say, for example, in commercial litigation.
My lord,
in environmental litigation. You don't allow.
those may be aberrations and I would not support them, my lord.
No,
They'd be wrong.
Generally, we are pointing out. But a judge who has tenure of 10 years, 15 years, 17 years, 20 years in High Court, you don't allow them to learn environmental law, commercial law, then suddenly
But
they
well,
come to
is this that
court,
kind of a
then you
case?
want
Well,
to
there are
decide
cases-
why this matter you want to decide.
There is no one size fits.
That is-
So
one
therefore,
should look into
allow me
this
to place
aspect.
my case. There is no one size fits all. Your lordship will not subsume 32 under 226. If the principle is that your lordship
Yes.
can never intervene because High Court is always available.
Please come to us via the constitutionally prescribed route.
that may not be
We
an absolute
welcome
rule.
any litigants. We are always open to.
Well, I have given 17 examples of entertainment. Now just see 3 pages and then lordship will decide.
Yes.
Come to my learned friend says, Mr. Tushar Mehta are not there when the matter was passed over, said that the person who loaded 145 onwards has been punished. Leave it aside for a minute. Come to 140 onwards. Just go to 140. Then lordship will see if this is not an all India nation affecting principle.
Yes.
And well, if these people are not even actioned on the ground of maintainability, well, there would be, I would submit, well, a diminution of the rights. Come to well, 140 bottom. I'll show 3 pages and I'll well, ultimately your lordship's discretion. There is no absolute bar. A constitutional post holder sworn to oath,
Yes.
bound by 14, 15, 21,
Yes, but
all
it will
individuals.
not become a convenience form shopping only because it suits some lawyer in Supreme Court, therefore every matter is filed in Supreme Court. What about the High Court's bar? There are leading lawyers, they are also available.
But
They will
then
argue
your
the
lordship
case.
never have a
They will appear online.
Then your lordship will never
This is not the ground
have
for us to entertain these petitions.
Kindly see, Manus, 140
Yes.
below.
We are
My
studying
idea-
how to deal with our own areas, first of all.
Manus, kindly see bottom of 140.
Yes.
My idea is to create an atmosphere which they cannot stay in Assam.
Yes.
Don't give them land, don't give them vehicles, don't give them rickshaws, don't give
That is
them
the problem.
villas.
That entire effort is to undermine, demoralize the High Courts, which is not acceptable to us.
Because in
Country.
There is a very calculated move. There is a calculated move to undermine the authorities of the High Court. Their constitutional court enjoy more power than us.
Well, as your lordship is talking of demoralizing high courts. Here is a person demoralizing the constitutional ethos of the country.
Go and file complaint against him.
127.
Go and approach the High Court against him. Who is stopping you?
Well, as no FIR is being registered. None. Every technical objection, the state is in charge.
Set of relief, Dr. Singh, tell us, the same set of relief which you are asking, can it not be granted by the High Court?
But
It can be.
practically, yes.
High
Practically,
Court can
no.
grant more than that.
Practically, no, with great respect.
Practically no. That is
State
the
of
problem.
Assam-
Practically no, because,
State of Assam, Malaz, where will I file an FIR?
Yes.
Where will I get redress?
yes.
Well, if your lordship doesn't agree with my next 2 arguments, lordship will send me to another high court other than Assam. I will go there. Kindly see now, Malaz.
This again, this is a very serious aspersion you want us to cast on the High Court. That's very unfortunate argument. And I outrightly reject it.
Now come to 127, Malaz. Kindly come to 127. This is one statement in 140. Now come to 127, Malaz.
I have to run the judicial administration throughout the country. If I start shifting the jurisdiction of the High Court.
Arguing for 32
it will
by your
have
lordship.
What kind of consequence?
Nobody else, Malaz. I am saying only 32 by your lordships. Now kindly come to Malaz 127 bottom.
Yes.
Sharma and the BJP are directly against the MIA, proclaimed during a conversation with journalists on 27th January. During the 3-minute exchange, Sharma urged the people of his state to give the MIA trouble and practice the politics of polarization.
Go seek an inquiry.
This is not a 32
If
matter.
suppose, if these allegations are, suppose these allegations are not denied, the nature of direction will be different. If these allegations are denied by someone, the nature of direction will be different.
Kindly
Given an opportunity
some
for the High Court to examine.
constitutional fabric and ethos of the country is threatened. When will 32 be there? Otherwise, your lordship will put it below 226. Everything
Yes,
can
no,
put it.
no question of 2026. If you don't get the desired relief in 2026, please come to us. We will examine.
Now,
We cannot
let's see.
think that our doors are
For once in 2023, it's a
Something which
habitual.
happens, suppose a matter which cannot be handled by one High Court.
Yes.
Which has an impact on pan-India basis. You are absolutely right. We must exercise our
This
32
is
power.
pan-India, Malas. This is pan-India. Kindly see
How
what he's saying.
pan-India? It is
He's saying for the
pan-Indian
entire
state.
community, entire religion, and brazenly.
Tomorrow something will happen in a state, then why not that High Court? So the entire country's litigation then should land up in Supreme Court.
No, Malas,
Making
that may
it
be an extreme
completely
proposition.
unmanageable affair for us with 33 judges in hand.
As your
to
lord,
predict all these.
I have given 17 examples of entertaining 32.
The only power-
Those are lesser matters, Malas. Coercive action is lesser matter.
Fortunately, the only power which is surviving intact with the High Courts is that of 226. Somebody has not been able to amend 226 thanks to basic structure. Otherwise, High Courts will be deprived of that.
Consider 17 cases, if your lordship puts it on the ground of coercive, is a lesser threshold. This is a threshold on the constitutional fabric.
Yes.
So it is higher than those 17 cases where my lord has entertained 32.
Is it not?
Your lordship has entertained 32. Your lordship has no absolute bar, Malas. If the Supreme Court doesn't act here, where will it act, Malas?
Lord, may I supplement?
When will it
There is
act?
no absolute bar. Once we are satisfied that a matter cannot be dealt with
There
by
will be
one
no
high
matter in
court
public law.
effectively,
Malas, kindly.
we will entertain those.
The Lord is right. No matter in public law will not be entertainable in 226.
Yes.
226 is wider than 32.
Unfortunately, that-
There will be no matter in public law, Malas. That test can't be. With greatest humility, I say,
We are
that test
entertaining-
cannot be because there is no matter not entertainable in public law under 226. If at all, it is wider than 32.
Please go
Get
to High Court.
lordship.
We will request the
May I-
High Court
may I
to decide.
just supplement
It will entertain.
In the debates, fellas, 32 was opposed. You are giving the power to
32
High
is
Court.
32. in
Dr.
terms
Ambedkar
of
said that
when the
32 is
question
given a
of-
very special sui generis powers to your lordship.
Yes, what is the, by the way, what is the constitution scheme of, let us have then one day debate in court on 226 only. Let's go into the Constituent Assembly debates also.
Wait.
When we talk of access to justice, the 226 is creation of that principle, so that people could approach the nearest high court
Let-
and enforce their fundamental rights,
President,
enforce their human rights, enforce their civil rights. That's why larger jurisdiction given to the high courts under 226.
So, let me re-
We all three have been through high courts, that's why we know it very well.
All of
The
you-
value of 226.
Most of your lordships come from High Court, but that's not the point. Can you see? Let me rephrase it.
Yes,
No doubt 32 and 226 are concurrent.
yes.
Number two principle. My lord has no bar in 32, a discretion to entertain or not.
Absolutely.
Number
We are not
three.
saying that we don't have jurisdiction.
Point number three. Please ask yourself the question, how and when the discretion is not more apposite than this case to be exercised?
Yes.
Is sitting
That
constitutional
is the
oath holder,
difference of
sitting in position, is saying all this
Exactly.
brazenly and every day.
Exactly. That is.
Well, what justice happened in the
You are asking
zone?
direction against one state. You are seeking direction against the state administration. You are accusing someone who lives in that very state. You are also mostly resident of that very state.
No.
So it is convenience appropriate for all of you
Well,
to fight the matter in the High Court.
Not matter in a
Let
matter
the
like
High
this,
Court.
because convenience may be a very low threshold. Incidentally,
Just pull out
in
the check.
partly anticipating this, we have annexed. This gentleman, I don't know what word to use, Bruce,
Yeah.
has spoken this in Assam,
No?
Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. It's a multi-state offense as far as
Yes.
statements are concerned. We've annexed that. So if your lordship is talking of multi-state, then it is not only Assam. But
Yes,
how can there be justice in a SIT or an FIR in Assam?
We are confining to what is alleged before us.